to look at under update called MOBY. MOBY is a Solana project which they launch their broker or the mobile app for trading the gene, mimic coin, and you can also invest on their distance. Now look at the whole procedures that you can use and claim the free point. They are giving out close to 200 USDT free of a MOBY point. Now, as you can see here, there is 1 day and 7 hours, 38 minutes left, so that this thing can end. Please, you can do well and get registered on this app and claim your free point that worth close to $200. In this video, I'm going to drop the link for registration if you have never registered yet on the description or the comment section of this video. Just stay tuned and watch and know the whole process that is going to take you to claim your own point. Now, quickly look at the top left hand side. You see something look like a bell notification as well. Click it there, touch it. When you touch it now, you will see a news, transactions, reward. Let us make use of news first as you register. That news, you see claim your MOBY reward. Click it so I can see the full message about it. Okay, claim your MOBY reward. You are early to the future of Solana tradings on mobile. Built to help you spot alpha, trade better, and win more. Being early has been sparked, and here is your MOBY booster to get started. Go to the rewards in AirDrop and enter the code instantly to receive MOBY added to your progress bar. Your code is this. Now, this is the code to redeem, so you can get that dollar that I'm talking about, close to $200 for free, and it's withdrawable. Now, what we do is that click here to copy, just long press. Can be able to copy. Are you seeing it? I've copied mine. Now, they say that every time you trade or any of your friends trade, a percentage of platform fees in MOBY app is added to your progress bar in real time. Once your bar is full, boom, you can withdraw MOBY direct to your wallet. Thanks for being earlier. Welcome to MOBY. That is it. Do it, and it has a threshold. When we see the point, I've already hit the maximum of 100k threshold, the thing have ended. That is why, as you are coming across to this video, quickly get registered. As I told you earlier, I'm going to drop the link on this description of this video. Get registered and claim your own point. You see how the process you're going to take and claim yours. That is how you do. It's very simple. Now, quickly now, click view. Now, this is a place that you have to place your point. You have to place your point. You see, I've already placed my point. Click redeem. It's saying because I've already claimed my own point. Look at my own point in the top side. Are you seeing it here? My reward 10,000 MOBY, which worth $161. That's close to $200, which is a big money to Nigerians. Please do and claim yours. It's very simple. Now you want to know whether if I claim this and am I trying to fake it here? It's very real. It's a real money. Look at it. Go here. Go back. Go to reward. Look at it. I claim it today. Before I started doing the video. Are you seeing it? Touch it. Look at it. I just got my own. Please do the same thing and get your own point. And if you have never subscribed for my YouTube channel, do it to subscribe. Turn your notification bell for more updates coming. Thank you for watching. Bye.